Ladies and gentlemen, I have Geeta here in my gym. It is such a delightful moment seeing her amazing energy, motivation for the workout, and I'm recording specifically this video um, for all those who are watching it or sleeping in their bed, making lame excuses that, oh, life is so hard, oh, the challenges are so hard, I cannot do these things because of XYZ reasons. Here is someone I want you all to meet with her and know from her what exactly is life and how we should approach life. Without further ado, let's go to the Geeta. Hello, Geeta. How are you, my friend?
Good. How are you?
I'm very well. What keeps you young? What keeps you young, motivated?
It's exercise.
Exercise.
Yes.
Do you mind sharing your age?
67.
67, ladies and gentlemen. I witness her energy, motivation for workout that she comes in. She
6 days a week.
6 days a week.
2 hours.
This is phenomenal. 2 hours, 6 days a week. Give me some takeaway from your life. What you have learned so far about the life. What can keep us alive like you are?
Happy. You can do work continuous, like work, like not kind of lazy type of person. I'm not lazy type person. I do something and I can busy with my life.
Busy with your life.
Yes.
Lovely. Okay, so 67 years, yes?
Yes.
So 67 years of wonderful excellence. What are the takeaways? 2 or 3 quick takeaways that you have learned from life and that help you a lot and that you would like to give to the youth watching you and want to learn from you.
I said, doesn't matter what kind of injury you have, you can do anything. Like if you said, set your mind, I want to do, you can do it.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And you are suffering some injuries as well?
I have a knee replacement 10
Oh.
years ago.
Knee replacement 10 years ago,
Yeah.
and here she is. Okay, that's the first thing. Whatever situation is, we can still go through that storm with our resilience, with our commitment.
Yes.
Wonderful. Anything else you would like to share?
No, happiness is good for a health.
Wonderful. So how someone can keep oneself happy?
Well, busy, take care of your kids and grandkids. Yeah.
Yeah, wonderful. Thank you so much, Geeta. You are such a wonderful lady,
Thank
and
you.
I'm super inspired. I'm super motivated by her energy, her warmth. Each time I see her in the gym. So today I wanted to record this message for all my following there. That this is how I believe should be an approach towards life. Salman Ayaz signing off from Nathan Fitness Center, Australia. Thank you.